Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to delete or clear ChatGPT history using your iPhone. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go ahead and open up a web browser and type in chat.openai.com and make sure to log into your ChatGPT account. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner and you'll be able to see all of your chat history displayed in the pop-up. If you want to delete your ChatGPT history, then simply go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right next to your email address and tap on Clear Conversation. Tap on the button one more time where it says Confirm Clear Conversations, and that way you'll be able to delete your history on ChatGPT. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.